Hey guys, this is David. Today I introduce you our new product, which is the Bracelet. It replaces your keycard so you can lock, unlock and start your Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y with a single tap. It is very simple and very convenient. The bracelet is made of natural stones, so it is very beautiful and is available in many different designs. It also has very beautiful wooden part which contains chip, so you have to tap this part on the vehicle in order to start or lock or unlock it. The bracelet is waterproof, it never needs charging, so it stays with you all the time.